coronavirus continues to dominate our conversations around the water cooler at work and almost every waking moment of our lives. The pandemic has not only people worried about their health, but also their livelihoods. Some are wondering whether things will ever return to the way they were before the outbreak. Our coverage today will focus on what has taken place in Canada during the past 7 days. Eagle News correspondent Carina Buluran tells us we are dealing with two problems: a public health crisis and an economic crisis.
This recreation center where I'm standing is usually busy with people coming in to use the gym, swimming pool, and other programs offered here. The city of Edmonton has closed all recreation centers along with public libraries to limit the spread of COVID-19. Canadians are starting to feel the new reality with limitations on how they can spend their free time, where they can travel to, and what precautions they may take to stay healthy. Across Canada, the measures vary. Some provinces have suspended classes in public schools. Universities either have or are considering going to online classes. At this point, there are more than 260 cases of COVID-19 in Canada, but only one death. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has a personal stake in this. His wife has tested positive for the virus and has mild symptoms. As a result, he is in self-isolation and working from home. How else has life changed? Some people have been panic buying, hoarding food and other goods, fearing that they may be confined for an extended period of time. Others scour the internet for information, but often they use unreliable sources. Vacations and travel plans have been scrapped. Foreign travel is being discouraged, and Canadians abroad are being told to come home as soon as possible. There is another side to this story, the economic one. With the cancellation of large events, many people who work for conference centers and other venues that host these gatherings are suddenly out of work. Sporting events have been canceled until further notice. Airlines and others in the travel business are laying off people. The cruise ship industry is dead and will likely take years to recover. And a drop in demand for oil has hurt energy companies. They too are shedding workers. The government promises more help for businesses and workers affected by the pandemic, but there seems to be no long-term plan. Some retired folks are feeling the pinch both socially and economically. At many seniors' homes, visitors are not allowed for now. And those relying on investment income are finding the value of their investments dropping as stock markets around the world have taken a hit. But the big concern people have is, will I be infected? What can I do to stay healthy? Alberta's Chief Medical Officer of Health has this advice. Dr. Dina Hinshaw says the most important measure to take is to practice good hygiene. This includes washing your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds, avoid touching your face, cough or sneeze into your elbow, and dispose of the tissue properly. And if you are sick, stay home and away from others. In Edmonton, Carina Buluran, Eagle News. I'm 1 with 25.